Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Telegram using Android or iPhone. So first you go and install your Telegram application. After that you open it, you will see this. You are going to click on start messaging, then you are going to select your country and enter your phone number. After that you are going to click on the blue arrow, and just like this you are going to create a new account. You can use it to chat with friends, or you can join some channels and etc. If you already have an account and you want to create a new one, so you can go and click on the three tabs on the left corner. Then you are going to choose settings. After that you are going to see the three tabs on the right corner. You click on that, then you click on logout, and here you are going to see the option add another account. You click on that, then you select the country, the phone number, and continue to create the new account. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.